Hey guys, welcome back to another Trash to Treasure video. In this specific video, I will be joining in on an open invite hosted by Casey from Coffee with My Sunshine, as well as Heidi Sonbol. The playlist, as well as their channels, will be linked down below, so let's get started. For the first project, I found this on my neighbor's curb, and I thought it was a great piece. It is broken, but I really liked the step stool part of it, and then that iron is a really great piece as well. So my intention was to take it apart and repurpose it in some sort of way. The hearts are a bit outdated, like that's not very farmhouse to me, but it was too cute to pass up. So I'm just going to go ahead and take it apart. This thing had a lot of screws to undo, but I really love this wooden iron board piece. I've seen people make these over, they distress them and then write like the words farmhouse or stencil on the word farmhouse. So I really want to try to do that for my home somewhere. And then I'm saving all the scrap pieces because YouTube has turned me into a hoarder. I save things thinking never know when I'll need to use this for an upcoming video, and it's becoming a problem. I chose for this is, I think it's called Aqua Verde. I got it at Sherwin-Williams. I've had it on hand for a while. It's called Aqua something, but it's a really pretty kind of bright blue-green color. And I started by really lightly dry brushing onto it because I guess I was really afraid of messing it up. And then I realized, what am I doing? Just go ahead, put paint all over it because I'm going to sand off the majority anyways. Moving on to my favorite part, which is sanding and distressing things. I got this sander at an estate sale for $5 about a year ago, and I don't know how I ever lived without one because I have gone completely sand happy and I just sand down everything. Here's how it turned out. I think it would actually look really cute as a plant stand or a plant holder, but I love the way it turned out. Let me know down below what you think. Moving on to this next project, I have this piece of scrap wood that was already cut into an arrow, and I wanted to make a really simple sign that said antiques on it. I'm going to take some of my Waverly chalk paint and truffle and just add a little bit to some water, mix that together, and make sort of a DIY stain. We've seen people do this tons of times, but it kind of just soaks into the wood like an actual stain would. So I used my Cricut to print out the word antiques, and I wish it was a little bigger, but I only have a 12 by 12 mat. I need to purchase the bigger one, but this will have to work for now. Once I applied that, I took some ivory chalk paint and just dry brushed it along the whole sign. For the hanger, I'm just going to take some twine and a staple gun and secure it to the back of my sign. Here's how it turned out. I have it hanging in my entryway. I hope you guys enjoyed watching these two projects. They were really simple and easy to do. Be sure to check out the playlist down below, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye!